In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to exchange currency on Revolut. Now, this is a really simple process, so make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first step is to come onto Revolut, and I'm just on the home page here. I'm on the Revolut app, but you can also be on your computer or laptop on the website and it will still work. It's still the same process, it will just look a little bit different. So as you can see, when we're on this page, in the middle of the screen, there is a button that says exchange, and we can find this just under where our account balance is. So what we want to do is press this button, and here's where we can actually exchange currencies on Revolut. So my primary currency is GBP at the moment, and at the moment the second one is crypto. However, if we click on this, we can change this to whatever currency we like. So if I wanted Australian dollars, for example, I can click here. And here we can actually see the exchange rate. So if I type in 10 British pounds, as you can see, that will give us about 19 or 20 US dollars. Now there's a few more things on the screen we can look at. So under where it says buy GBP, we can actually click on that and it will show us the exchange rate. So here's for the days. So here's the chart for the day and what the current exchange rate is. But if we want to change it to like a year, for example, we can click here and we can see how the currency has actually changed. So if we back out here again, as you can see in the top right corner, there is one more option that we can choose here. And here it says market order. So market order means it will actually exchange the assets immediately. So we can go ahead and choose that if we want an instant transaction. Now there also is stop orders and limit orders. And stop order means it will buy when the stop price is reached. And similar with a limit order, it will buy only at a limit price or lower. So choose whichever one will suit you best, and then once you have selected those options, you are actually ready to exchange your currency on Revolut. So as you can see, it says review order here, so you just want to select that button, and then from there you will have successfully managed to exchange your currencies on Revolut. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to exchange currencies on Revolut. If you did get this done, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.